Tonight's date night is casual and cozy, but I'm gonna keep it simple and special. But there's a twist. No full face of makeup. We're just gonna enhance what we're already working with. So grab a warm drink and let's create a look that feels as great as it looks. Tonight I got something new ready. What's under there? I did some mini braids. I'm obsessed. I feel so myself again. My hair was in an afro for like 2 weeks, and I was just like, this is like more me. I love my hair like this because it's easy. I can do so many things with it. I actually might like catch it up in a ponytail or something. I'm not really sure. So we're just gonna feel everything out as we go. So on our checklist today, it's currently 1:20 p.m. and we need to drop off our child around 4. So I don't have a lot of time. We need to do nails because 4 of them popped off, lash clusters. Oh, and I have to pick out my outfit. My mustache. And then we're just gonna do like a very light and natural makeup. I'm not really gonna do much of anything. Let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to tackle is my nails. I would rather just knock out the one I want to do the least first. Feel me?
Honestly, it probably would have been smart to do press-ons, since we're on a time crunch, but I did Gel X because I like how I can get my hands wet immediately after. Whereas with press-ons, I recommend doing them at night because it's best to let the glue set for several hours. So it should be the very last thing you do at night because they really can just pop off when you least expect it. So you should always keep nail glue everywhere with you. Your car, your purse, your bra, you get the point. And I usually go back and forth between Gel X and press-ons. I love them both for different purposes, but at this point in my life, as long as the nails are done, I don't really care. Also, these particular Gel X nails are cool because they don't require a top coat, so I really can't just pop them on and keep it pushing.
So now my nails are done. Done is better than perfect. So this is where they're at. I think we have about another hour and a half to finish getting ready. So now let's put on some lash clusters.
For lash clusters, I only apply a tiny amount of glue, so they usually just fall off on their own within a few days to a week, which is less damaging to your natural lashes. Lash strips are cool too, but they require more finesse with the technique. Eyelash clusters are more beginner friendly and last longer. So, you just apply the lash clusters close to the base, but under the eyelashes so it blends beautifully. Chef's kiss.
Now we need to see what's good with this mustache. My phone's flashlight.
And as someone who doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup, I found that grooming and basically considering all the hairs on your body is one of the best ways to look effortlessly put together. So think about it. Your eyebrows are perfectly shaped, your hair is how you want it, waking up with lashes done, not having a mustache. Now that's how you look good. And while I love waxing, prefer plucking my stash versus waxing because waxing makes my skin more sensitive to the sun, and the last thing I want is a tan upper lip. Time for makeup. Here I am filling in my brows with a very basic pencil. It's actually the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil. Oh, almost forgot to moisturize. I put shea butter on my entire body. My face can handle it because my skin airs on the drier side, but for others it might be too much. But it's like an all-in-one moisturizer. I'm so excited to talk more about DIY beauty because I've been doing it all at home for over a decade. So we have plenty to talk about. Stick around and subscribe if you're loving it here so far. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with highlighter to my zones. It doesn't really matter which brand you use, but I love adding it to the inner corners of my eyes. It really helps make the eyes pop and look more alive. And the thing about beauty is you don't need anything fancy or expensive. Simplicity really is effective. Less is more. Hashtag bougie on a budget. Hey boo, he's so cute. And then going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer to handle all this baggage I got going on under my eyes. I don't even own foundation, but I'll wear BB cream when I'm feeling fancy. It's just nice to let the skin breathe. I couldn't find my concealer brush, so fingers it is. This is what I'm talking about with simplicity. We improvise. Moving along to hair. And that's why I love mini braids, because they're so low maintenance, but they look really put together. They're the lazy girl's dream hairstyle because you just wake up and go. And as someone who not so secretly wants locks, this is the next best thing for now. Nothing's really stopping me from locking my hair. I really just challenged myself to a year of doing protective styling and seeing how that works out for me, just because I still enjoy being able to switch back and forth. But maybe one day I'll lock my hair. Gotta do baby hairs. Yeah, I don't really care about those either. Can I get an amen? Please drop a like right now if you also don't really care about baby hairs. But quickly, Lexus, hurry up.
It's 3:34. Everyone's telling me to go, so we're gonna be so quick. And my battery is also about to die, so we are just gonna move right along.
She's a calm, under pressure queen.
And then we're gonna do this little number. Let it pop this off. Think it'll be cute.
What I found to be most helpful for getting dressed in a pinch is going for a monochromatic outfit. So yes, today I went with black, but this works for any color. I would never lead y'all astray. It works every single time. You'll still get compliments, I promise.
I really wanted to show some buzzing today, but
I would have put on tights, but I honestly just wasn't in the mood and it wasn't cold, so please don't drag me. And she's done. Made it. See y'all next time. Bye.